perfect. Perfect. Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in to my second video. I don't like that. Hey everybody, no, I don't like that either. Sit there. Thank you. Welcome to my channel, yeah. Welcome to my channel, yeah. You're back again on my dang on channel. What's up everybody? I am back with a unboxing. Well, really not an unboxing video, but it's more so of a showing video. What was in a box. I think that's how you do it, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, anyway, so I took it out of the box. Who got time for that? Anyway, I'm just gonna tell you about my new camera bundle. It was on Amazon. It was $871, and I got it for a grand total of $921. Well, it was only that much because it was a bundle, and you know, shipping and handling, and you know, that's just so sad. It's so sad how much shipping and handling can just change the price that much. Anyway, I'm gonna just show you a few things that came in the box. So first, I would go with the Rode mic. This mic is compatible with any DSLR camera that has a horse on the top of the camera. Now, when I say horse, I'm not talking like, you know, giddy up a horse. I'm talking about more so of it's like a little button I can show you with this camera. So this camera has a horse. You see the little silver part up there? That is a horse. And you can attach the mic there. It also came with a flash, external flash. So of course, you know, everybody does not give batteries with their product. It always say with 2 AA batteries included. Like, I am so upset, you know, I'm so upset that the batteries does not come on the product, because, you know, what if I would open the box and use it? Like, what happened to like opening the box and like, wow, I really can use this because, you know, batteries are there. Like, anyway, it also came with a 2x2 professional telephoto lens, and it comes in a bag. And it also came with a wide angle lens, and it also came in a bag. When I'm on the go, it comes with a digital battery charger, which is awesome. So I can be in the car and be like, hey, I want to charge my camera. I'm like, yeah, man, I'm gonna charge my camera. And I just put my battery in there and boom, it's charging. Like, you know, that's how it goes. It also came with a Pro HD Series digital filter kit. So the filter kits are basically your filter for your lighting. Like if you're shooting against like reflections, you're shooting outside, you're shooting in dark areas, it filters it and it makes it look so much better. Then you have the Pro HD Series macro close-up lens. Boom, in your face. Well, not really, but you get the point. You have 4 ways of getting close up. You got close up 1, you got close up 2, you got close up 4, and I can't count. You got close up 3 and you got close up 4, yeah. It also came with a shutter release. Now this is definitely gonna come in handy, everybody, when I'm taking pictures and all I wanna do is I gotta press this button. I'm like, up, you can't see me. You can't see me take the picture, but I'm taking the picture. You know, have you ever been to a family function and you're always the photographer? So what you do is, you know, you set up your camera and then you're like, oh, well, who's gonna take the picture? They be like, all right, Ty gonna take the picture. Really? Like, really? Why I have to take the picture every time? I mean, I know everybody's gonna watch this, but you know, that's how I felt in my head, you know? And now I can do it with my shutter release button. And then it also came with this mount. So this mount is basically a harness for my camera. I put my camera up here, I tie it on, then I can hold my camera without my wrist being hurt, you know, for a long period of time, or a long periodically time. Then I have this Vivitar. Everything is Vivitar. I guess Vivitar got my money this time. But yeah, so this is basically a USB, but the cool thing about it is you can put your SD memory card in here and plug it up to your MacBook or PC. Me preferably a MacBook, because you know I'm an Apple fiend. And then you also have this. Now this is not just for a camera. This can also be used for your ears. So I was just playing, not really. It does look like a syringe, but it's not. It's basically for dust. So you can get dust out of your camera, your keyboards, anything like that. You also have a lens cleaner. This is definitely gonna come in handy because you know how I cannot stand fingerprints. Like, if anybody knows me, I'm always wiping my phone with my handkerchief. I always keep a handkerchief, and I have like 50 of them lost right now. And then it also came with like a little brush right here. So, you know, you can brush off the lens. It kind of looks like a, you know, thing that girls use, you know, one of those. But yeah. And then that's basically all that. Oh, how could I forget? It comes with a book bag. It comes with a nice book bag. Like, how could I forget the book bag? Hold for one moment. You sure you're not gonna take any of my products, right? I'm gonna be right back, I promise. Do not take my camera. Do not take my microphone, none of this stuff. I'll be right back, I promise. One moment. And it also came with a backpack. So this backpack is a digital camcorder, and it can be used for a camera or a camcorder. It has like the compartments in there. It even has like a little grip at the bottom so it can stand up. So this was actually a great deal. Oh, and it also came with a tripod, but I'm using that. And last but not least, it comes with the Canon. The Canon Rebel T7i camera. Alright guys, well that is it for my showing, because it's definitely not an unboxing, but it basically tells you everything that's in the box. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe and comment below, because I'm pretty sure y'all have a lot of questions about half of this equipment up here. And if you do have questions, I'll feel free to, you know, enlighten you, to educate you on the products that came in this box. But you know what, guys? Don't take me seriously.